Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, and welcome to another video. So I bought myself this Parkside 4-volt cordless multi cutter, and in this video I'm going to show you what we can cut with this tool. So here are some specifications. The battery is a 4-volt lithium ion battery, 2000 milliamp hours. No load rotation speed is 270 RPMs. The cutting blade is 41 millimeters. And the material you can cut is a maximum of 6.4 millimeters. Comes with this charging cable, USB-C, and a spare blade. On the back side, multiple description. Of course, your language is there, and inside the box there will be a manual in your language. So here we have the cutter. Taking a first look at it. There's this long trigger here and a safety button. You have to press them both to start it. If you only push the trigger, it won't work, so unlock it here. And there is a battery indication on the top side. Spare blade. Charging cable, USB-C type. And the manual in a multiple language, as I said before. And of course your language will be there, or a language that you will understand. I have some old piece of paper here. Just we start with some paper cutting to see if this works. Of course, very easy to cut paper. Some strong cardboard. Just some straight cuts. Very easy. See if we can make a turn. Not very easy. But we can make a turn. Just got to let the machine do its work. Let me show it upside down from another angle. From here. Very nice for cardboard. So I have some leather belt, very thick. Let me try it in this direction. And I have some foamed insulation material. See how easy it cuts. Oh, that's very good. Very easy. So it's perfect for insulation material. See how easy that goes. This is very light stuff, of course. Nice. Let's try it with some jeans. I have to hold it here. And that's very easy. Very easy to cut jeans. The only thing is you have to make a start point. Let me see if I can cut it if it's double. And I have to hold it again. And that's no problem at all. Got stuck a little bit. So let's get it out. Very nice. And this is some carpet. This is carpet that you glue on your staircase. Very thick. Let me see if it works. And this is thicker than the 6.4 millimeters. Yeah, it gets a little bit stuck in there, but it cuts. And this is some old wrapping foil for wrapping your car. So very easy, very clear cuts. And here we have some thick rubber mat. See if we can make a cut out of it. Very easy. Very easy, and that's very thick. And of course, we're gonna do a battery duration test. I'm gonna clamp this down here. See if that works. Put the clamp here. And then I will set the timer. I'll set the timer and speed this a little bit up so it won't take that long. There we go. So that's the battery duration test. Well, not exactly. This is the time that the motor can spin without any force or with no load onto the knife. This is the only way I can do a measurement for the battery duration. It's very hard to test the real battery duration test when you are cutting. But at least this is an indication of how long it will run with no load, with not cutting anything. And now let's see how long it will take to charge it. 4 hours and 27 minutes. It's fully charged now. And that's a very long charging time. It disappoints me a bit, but... So a battery duration of 39 minutes and a charging time of 4 hours and 27 minutes. I hope I showed you everything in the right way. I also hope I give you a good look at this product so you can decide for yourself if you want to buy it, yes or no. Please subscribe to my channel and get notified about any new videos. Hit the like button if you like this video, if you think I showed this product in the right way. And if you like the product, please give it a like now. Give a comment if you have any questions. Maybe you want to see me cutting some other materials or want me to test it. Just ask anything in the comments and I will see what I can do. I always reply. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in next video.